Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2011 Panini Certified Football Box Break. And I think the only teams that didn't sell were the Bucks and the Redskins. And as I showed in the first video, oh, that's much more clear. 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 8, 1, 1, 5 is the serial number on this box. And the Crown Royal, if you're in that one too, will be tomorrow night because just a lot of teams didn't sell, I guess. And there is going to be a bonus hit because the Panini Threads box that I used to help give everyone something has at least one hit left in it, so there should be 5 hits in that one tomorrow night. And I just relisted those teams. Okay, we got Arian Foster, Lee Evans, Jamal Charles, Paul Posluszny, Jay Cutler, and the first hit out of the first pack, Fabric of the Game, Jonathan Baldwin for the Chiefs. That is number 1 out of 25. So hey, if you gotta get a pretty low number for a jersey card, if you gotta get one. Okay. James Laurinaitis, LaDainian Tomlinson, Mark Ingram, Percy Harvin, Jason Witten. Chad Ochocinco, Danny Woodhead, Kellen Winslow Jr., blue parallel, number 10 out of 100. Brandon Jacobs, and Donald Driver. Wow, that's pretty decent. Patrick Willis, Sean Green, Frank Gore, Ray Rice, Maurice Jones-Drew, and the second hit is a Shirt Off My Back Prime. It's got a piece of what probably is a number there. Michael LaShore, running back for the Lions, numbered 5 out of 5. So some nice low numbers in this box. Noshawn Moreno, Tim Hightower, the third hit, Stephen Pea, auto for the Bears, numbered out of 150. Julius Peppers and Matthew Stafford. London Fletcher, Mike Tolbert, DeMarcus Van Dyke, new generation. He looks like a safety. Cornerback. Pretty close. Jermaine Gresham and Tom Brady. Austin Collie, Mike Goodson, Certified Potential Julio Jones, Brandon Pettigrew, Matt Ryan, and the fourth hit, and fourth guaranteed hit, Randall Cobb for the Packers, jersey numbered out of 250. Kenny Britt, Mike Wallace, Matt Forte, red parallel numbered out of 250. Dallas Clark, Brandon LaFell. Brian Hartline, Colt McCoy, Alan Bradford, new generation, numbered out of 999. Chad Henne, Josh Cribbs. The last pack here. Kellen Winslow, Jeremy Maclin, Corey Luggett, Lance Moore, and Anquan Bolden. Okay, so the 4 hits were the Randall Cobb jersey, the Stephen Pea auto, the Michael LaShore Shirt Off My Back Prime, numbered out of 5 out of 5, and the Jonathan Baldwin Fabric of the Game, numbered 1 out of 25. Alright, well, thanks for your purchases. Don't forget to check out the website, hobbyboxbreakers.com. Don't forget to, or go ahead and you can follow us on Twitter for instant updates about videos being posted and new listings. And same with Facebook. And the Crown Royal break will be tomorrow night. I had to relist about 10 teams, so check those out. There's some decent ones out there, too, not just the Seahawks and stuff like that. So thanks again. I will get your cards out early this week.